an anomalous situation in respect of the inter-se seniority of district judges, direct recruits and district judges promotees has been placed. Judicial officers recruited as civil judge often do not reach the level of principal district judge, leave aside reaching the position of a high court judge. This has resulted in many bright young lawyers being dissuaded from joining the service at the level of CJ. It cannot be disputed that judges who were initially appointed at CJ gain rich experience since they have been serving in the judiciary for a number of decades. Furthermore, every judicial officer, be it one who was initially recruited as CJ or one who was directly recruited as district judge, has an aspiration to reach at least up to the position of a high court judge. We are therefore of the view that a proper balance has to be struck between the competing claims. What should be the criteria for determining seniority in the Higher Judicial Service? It is respectfully submitted that seniority in the Higher Judicial Service in various states, which comprises of a single cadre of district judges, though further divided into posts of district judge entry level, district judge selection grade, and district judge super time scale, ought to be fixed in a manner that district judges appointed by direct recruitment and promotion from the cadre of civil judges have an equivalence and a balance be struck so that no one category has an advantage over the other in respect of the said cadre, as also for further aspiration to advance to the position of principal district judge, if any, and further to the position of high court judges. I say if any because not all states have principal district judge designation. So that's why if any is mentioned over there. Otherwise, my lord, some states have only district judge super time scale as the highest, and from there they are. The disparity in the cadre was noticed in the first National Judicial Pay Commission, also known as the Justice Shetty Commission, under the chairmanship of Honorable Mr. Justice K.J. Shetty in its report. The Justice Shetty Commission submitted its report on 11/11/99. The commission noted, I have set out some paras for your lordship's consideration. The mixed cadre of district judges consisting of promotees and district recruits in every state judicial service was intended to promote efficiency in the administration of justice. But the fact remains otherwise. There is a lot of discontentment between direct recruits of district judges on one side and promotees on the other. The two classes are generally not on cordial terms. Nay, in some states, they are not even on talking terms. They are forming separate associations. They are locked in legal battles fighting up to the apex court. They made separate representations to this commission. The root cause for all these unfortunate fallout seems to be the mode of direct recruitment followed by high courts and determining the inter-se seniority between promotees and direct recruits. The high courts are not unaware of this bitterness and discontentment in the service, yet seems to have done little to improve the method of direct recruitment so as to remove the grievance of promotees. The common grievance of service judges in the lower cadre in all the states, and which grievance is also highlighted in the memorandum of All India Judges Association, is that the hopes and aspirations of judges who have entered the lowest rung of the judicial service have been shattered for want of adequate promotional opportunity. It was explained that the unreasonable quota reserved and unscientific method followed for direct recruitment of district judges have practically driven the service judges to despair and despondency. It was said that they could never think of becoming principal district judge. It was pointed out that advocates are recruited as district judges at a relatively younger age, varying from 32 to 40 years, while service judges would get a chance of promotion as district judges only at their advanced age. Such direct recruits should be ranked above the promotees in the seniority list and occupy all the central posts. They also deprive the promotees the chance to reach the High Court.
Download the SEC online app to stay informed and empowered.